Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today's video is going to be a no makeup look for virtual meetings. So now this video is in collaboration with L'Oreal Paris, and they came up with this brilliant idea to show a no makeup look. Makeup look is beneficial if you are attending any kind of virtual meetings, conference call, group call, birthdays, anything. You want that your face should look a little bit better with few makeup products, then this video is for you. I am here to show you guys a no makeup look, like a quick no makeup look. So let's get started. I hope you guys will find this video helpful. Everything will be mentioned in the description box below. Without any further ado, let's get into this video. Okay, so let's get started. Before starting this video, I just quickly want to be a little bit honest with you guys. I do not have too much L'Oreal Paris products. I have their foundation, I have a kajal, I have lipsticks, actually too many lipsticks, and a skincare product. Show you guys this makeup look with like literally minimal products, and I think this basically can be a makeup look with whatever products you have with yourself, like with a lipstick as well. How can you use it as eyeshadow or a blush? Just use something in different ways. I think even if I am having less number of products from L'Oreal, I think we can just transform this situation into a minimal makeup look as well. So I'm so dumb. So jokes apart, I'm gonna show you guys a makeup look with minimal number of products because I don't have too much product from L'Oreal TBH. And yeah, so for the first product, I'm gonna use this one right over here. This one is the Crystal Micro Essence from L'Oreal Paris. I've mentioned this product on my favorites video as well. I just love this essence, and I just love the fact that you have options to choose. You don't have to purchase this big bottle for you. You have the smaller version as well. So I'm just gonna press this into my skin because this is going to be a no makeup look. So prepping your skin is the most important part, and you should use an essence or a moisturizer or a serum, anything that you have. But for today, I'm gonna use my essence because I really love this product. Because first, this is very glowing, and second, this actually gives my skin a smoothness. So that's why I really love this part. Now, as you guys can see, I already have my eyebrows on. Now, eyebrow is the most important part if you are going for a no makeup look. Now, if you have bushy, fuller eyebrows, then that's fine. This step is not at all important for you. But people like me, especially, I don't have a bushy, fuller eyebrow. Setting your eyebrows, or whenever you are actually doing your eyebrow, you will see the difference instantly. So this is the most important part. No matter what product you have, just use it and just fill your eyebrows. Now, I have two products from L'Oreal Paris. First, I have this one. This one is the Infallible Pro Matte Foundation, and the second product is this one. This one is the Infallible Foundation Stick. Now, this is one of my favorite foundation stick, because personally I will not go with a foundation if I am doing a no makeup look. So I will go with my foundation stick. As I don't have any concealer from L'Oreal, I will use this stick. This is a beautiful blendable foundation stick which I personally love. As you guys can see, I have dark circles. What I will do with this foundation stick, I will use it right over here, literally where the darkness is, right over here. I'm not going to do that typical triangle shape or anything like that. I am just going to use the concealer right over here. Personally, I always use very less amount of makeup product in this look, so that's the reason I'm gonna use a little bit just right over here. As you guys can see, if I move my eye, you guys will see the darkness. So this is not actually my tip. It's not a tip that I discovered. This is a tip from a makeup artist. If I get the link, I'm gonna leave the link in the description box below. A quick tip to use the concealer right where the darkness is. So I'm just gonna take a little bit, just this much, and I'm gonna use it right over here. I am going to take my brush, and I'm not going to move the concealer. I am just going to blend it well. You guys can literally see the difference. Instantly, I am looking a little bit better. Now what I am gonna do again with this, now if you have pigmentation, as you guys can see, I don't have too much pigmentation, but I have pigmentation. As you guys can see, I have pigmentation right over here and a little bit over here as well. What I am gonna do, I'm gonna again, step is actually not that necessary to cover up your pigmentation. I'm gonna recommend this step. Just take a little bit right over here, just like this and this. I'm going to blend this out. I am again going to do the same step. I am not going to move the concealer here and there. I'm just going to blend it out wherever I have applied. If you want, you can go with a blender just to blend everything out well, just to have like a very natural finish. Now the most important part, to bring back some color, your skin look very fresh and healthy, blush is the most important part. Now I do not have a L'Oreal Paris blush. What I am gonna do, I'm gonna use their liquid lipstick, the L'Oreal Paris liquid lipstick in the shade I Amaze. Now why I am using a liquid lipstick, because this is a liquid lipstick which will take time to dry up. Very sheer coverage lipstick which I personally love. You can absolutely blend this as a blush. I have used this trick before and it works actually well. I'm going to use this, just this much. I know it looks too much. Step, I'm gonna take my L'Oreal Paris gel eyeliner, and this is what it actually looks like. I'm gonna take a brush like this. Now what I am actually going to do, I'm not gonna do a wing eyeliner or something like that. Now this is what my skin is looking right now. Now for the last and final step, I'm gonna add a lipstick. This one is also from L'Oreal Paris. I think the shade is called Confession. I don't exactly remember. I'm gonna mention everything in the description below. Such a beautiful natural shade. This is like another trick to get a very natural finish. Now I'm gonna take my fingers . Guys, this is what my makeup is looking right now. I am super happy with this fresh makeup look. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Everything will be mentioned in the description box below. Make sure to check that out. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.
I just touched down, don't do no lean, put the crush down, I'm going crazy as shit,